thank you. 2 minutes, Tamudu. Thank you. 2 minutes. Two నిమిషాలు. Firstly, I want to thank and welcome all the senior journalists who are here, the print,
अरे एक मिनट सुन तो लो.
all the media personnel. Thank you so much for gracing this event. It means a lot to us, all your support. Thank you, I love you.
अच्छा एक मिनट. What we'll do is
2 minutes.
सुनो
2 minutes.
एक काम करते हैं.
2 minutes, please.
सर एक बार मैं कहता हूं इस तरफ हाथ हिला दीजिए, एक बार उस तरफ, फिर ये सब शांत बैठ जाएंगे. Thank you. Now that side. Thank you. Now we'll talk. Now we'll take this आगे. Lovely यार, कमाल लोग हो तुम. Okay. So yes, please go ahead, sir.
I think it's an incredible last 2 years. This movie has been embedded in every cell of us. We've been living this, breathing this for the last 2 years. Mr. Butchi Babu has been living, breathing this for the last 5 years. So it's a lot of investment. And I want to thank Butchi Babu for one reason, for convincing Mr. Rahman sir to be on the board on this project. Thank you, Butchi Babu. You know, I'm sure every project has 4-5 pillars, but this is the center pillar. The center pillar is R. Rahman sir. It is so needed. The way he composed movies like these, and many movies like this he's composed, especially I love your works, and Pele sir, it is one of my favorite background scores. So it is such an honor to be in his presence, in his films that he's part of. Thank you so much for being part of Peddi sir. And Devendra, thank you man, you're a gangster. No, say gangster. His personality is almost like a giant personality. The way he carries every word, every dialogue, the expression. He's got a swag. He's got his own way. And the body language is something that I would like to develop or inculcate.
You have it already.
And of course, this is my 5th film or 4th film with Randy sir. He's a master. He's a master. He etched every frame so beautifully in the post, in the shoot. Thank you so much for, and Janvi ma'am, thank you. No, I've not seen such a diligent person in my life. The way she is working so hard. She used to rehearse the last day we just shot a song. I didn't have time because we were shooting 85 days continuously, and then the song landed up. I was like, I was learning there and I was doing it, and I didn't know whether she practiced it too. She did it 100 times better than me in the last song we did. I was like, she's like a Chupa Rustam. She's quietly learning it in Mumbai, and I like that dedication. It's something that she's very sincere to her work, and this Peddi needed a lot of sincerity in all of us, and I'm very, very happy. My dad and Ms. Sridevi ma'am had worked together. It was long wish for our family, our fans, and who appreciated this, our parents coming together and us. So it is like a nostalgic thing for all of us, and this pair will not disappoint you guys. It will really, she's done her best. So Satish Garu, thank you for your kind words. I wish I can translate exactly what he said. On YouTube, please select on YouTube you can select the language Hindi. Autocorrect hota hai. But yeah, he's really worked hard. He's the main man of this evening. It is because of him all of us are here, and he deserves every applause, every love, and your support he deserves. Telugu ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తెలుగు అభిమానులందరికీ పేరు పేరున నమస్తే. Thank you so much. Yeah, చేయి బానే ఉంది. This is a small gift that Butchi has given me. So through the course of the film, I think last 25-30 days we were doing a Kusti Pailwan shoot, and I've asked him to get really trained artists, but he's got real Pailwans. जब action बोलते हैं ना जोरदार पकड़ते हैं, and that's what happened. So I have a cartilage there, but it's fine. It's worth it. It's a beautiful memory of Peddi. I'm going to have. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. So now, sir, yes, sir. Sir would like to say something.
I want to thank Sukumar Garu for introducing Peddi, a man to me. Thank you so much.
Rambhai.